Hello guys, it's Jamie here. Here I'm about to make a short tutorial on how to convert your Steam dollar into Bitcoin and getting it as a typical Nigerian man. Now firstly, let's go to our browser. I'll be making use of Google Chrome for this tutorial and it might take us like 5 minutes to complete depending on how fast the network is. The first thing we need to do is go to, I will paste in the address here, https://remitano.com/ng?ref=let's survey. That is my referral link. I will drop it in the comments below. So once you click on it, it will give you a page in which whereby you have to register. The registration and their security is so good that I love it so much that nobody would even have access to your account except you. Now, if you click on these 3 bars by the top right hand side, you can either log in. That's even the first thing. You either log in or you register. Now, all you need to do is put your email address. When your email address is there, click on continue. So it will send a mail to your email address. Either you're registering or you're logging in. That's the first step to do. So just simply go to your email address, the one that you used. Okay. Mine is already logged in. So once you go to your email address, a link will be sent to you. You can see the link has been sent to me. Log into Remitano. So I'm going to click on log me in. So it will log me in directly. No need of password. That's how to log in. Even if you are registering, that's the same process you have to go through. Okay. So once that is done and you've logged in, you are good to go. So you can just simply browse to the site and check what to do or how to set up your account. Now, some of the things that I will be checking in setting up an account is just go to settings. So your email address is there. You choose your username. You choose your name. That's my whole name, James O. Charles. I subscribe to Daily Price to know the price. I verified my phone number. I verified my account. I verified my Facebook and also my Twitter. All these accounts are verified. Okay, you can also put trusted device. Okay, with trusted device, it shows that okay, whenever you log in this account, this site is the application you're using registering is a trusted one. So you can also put authentication there. I'm not using, okay, mine is enabled. I don't know, I can't even remember when I enabled it. So now if you want to sell or buy BTC, that's where we are going to. If you, let's say you want to sell BTC, firstly you need to deposit into your Remitano account. Okay, this is their own network fee, 0.0005. Copy this address and send the Bitcoin to this address. Once it's in the address, then you now go to buy or sell BTC. So here you can see the value of 1 Bitcoin in Naira. This is the buying price and this is the selling price. And one thing I love about this site is that you can always choose your price whenever you're selling. So these are list of sellers that we have. These are list of sellers. Okay, if you want to sell, if you want to buy from them, you can buy from them 345, 346, 348. This guy is a slow seller. So it shows you the list of sellers. Now if you want to buy, if you want to sell, these are people you can sell to instantly without putting your own fixed price. If you want to sell at 345, just sell to this guy at 343. Sell to this guy here, 343, 342, 342, 340. If you want to sell to any one of them, you're free. Then if you want to put your own price that okay, you're not selling at 343, but you want to sell at 346 or 345, all you need to do is just come down here and click on create advertisement. That means if you want a better price for yourself, click on create advertisement. Now once you've click on that, you put the bank you're using. As a Nigerian, we have all banks there. You put the banks you're using. So once you put your bank there, after you, okay, I'm using GTB, so let me put GTB. You put account number there. then you put the account name, then you click on create. Okay, so these are very easy steps to do. That is, if you want to sell Bitcoin. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin as well, you can see buy Bitcoin there. You can also put the price you want to buy it at. If you don't like the price you're seeing there and you want to own better price, you can also put your price there. That's why I love Remitano. It gives you the options of putting your own price. If you think the price there is too small for you, you don't like that price, put your price there that you want to sell. And if you think you're looking for a better price to buy from, put your price there. Whoever want to sell to you will sell to you. Whoever want to buy from you, buy for you. Now let's pick an example of me buying. Let's assume that I want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, let's say I want to buy from this guy here. Let's say I want to buy from this guy here. Okay, I click on his adverts. So now, this transaction is going to take me 15 minutes to make. Okay, so I must make the payment within 15 minutes. If I don't make the payment within 15 minutes, the Bitcoin will be sent back to the owner. Now, let me say this. Whenever you want to buy Bitcoin from any of these guys, okay, Remitano is an escrow service. What do? They collect the Bitcoin from the seller and hold on to it. Once the seller confirms payment from you, okay, Remitano will transfer the Bitcoin to you. And if you're the one selling, Remitano will collect the Bitcoin from you and hold on to it. So when the buyer sends the money to you, you tell Remitano that you have received the money and the Bitcoin is sent to the buyer. Now, within that 15 minutes period, if anyone fails to complete his own part of the transaction, you can simply notify Remitano and it will be rectified. That one is very sure. Okay, they are an escrow service with the best customer service I've ever experienced. Forget Luno, forget all that you think you know. This is the best for Nigerians. I'm telling you. I've been with them for quite a while now, and I've never regretted for once buying or selling there. Even at the middle of the night, if I don't have much with, if I want to buy Bitcoin, all I just come here. And something I also do is this: I buy here and also sell outside this market. I can buy, let's say now the price is 345. If I buy 345 here, I can go and sell at 350 or 360 or 370 outside this market. So the choice is there. You always have a good choice whenever you're using Remitano. So I believe that if anybody wants to buy or sell Bitcoin, the best place to come is Remitano. So once again, my referral link is remitano.com/ng question mark what's it called? Okay, it's no longer there. Oh man, I put in the wrong link. Okay, so I would drop my referral link down below this post. So in case anyone wants to register, I implore you to use my link to register. And I wish you the best in trading. Good luck and have a nice time.